Guys, if you love banana, then join me. Let us make this banana bread. It's so loaded with different nutrients. You can bake it to start a business. You can bake it to put in your children's lunch boxes when they're going to school. And you can bake it as breakfast at home to enjoy with your families. It's so easy to make. So guys, you can see how succulent it is. It's still very hot because I just baked it. So guys, let's bake together. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe. If you're following me, thank you so very much. Please keep liking my videos and keep sharing. So today's recipe, we are baking this most moist banana bread. First of all, let me just run through what we are going to be baking our banana bread with. Here you can see our ripe banana. We use ripe bananas for your banana bread. We have our flour here, grated nutmeg, cinnamon, then this is peanut butter, sugar, salt, baking powder, baking soda, egg, vanilla, vegetable oil. You can use melted butter if you want to. Then you have some raisins here. Then I have almond seed. You can use peanuts if you want. Then I have my milk here. So what I'm going to do first now, I'll peel the bananas and I'll mash them. You can use your fork to mash, or you can use your potato masher, or you can even blend if you want to, but I'll just use my potato masher to mash. So guys, let's get started. So in my bowl here, I'm peeling my bananas. If you have overripe banana in your kitchen and you don't know what to do with it, this is one of the recipes you can get out of your overripe bananas. And I'll mash very, very well. To have some taste of a banana, you can just mash it halfway. But if you don't want to have a feel of a banana in here, then you have to mash it very well and to be very smooth. So guys, after mashing the banana, this is what we have here. So I'll get my dry ingredients ready. So guys, we are using 1.5 cup of flour. Because this banana bread, you need the accurate measurement. If you don't, your bread might be too hard. So this is 1 cup. You have to always sieve your flour because of wriggles or any particles that might be in your flour. Then I'll get the half. I said 1.5. I'm going to be using 1.5. So this is the other half. Baking powder, baking soda. You have to sieve through in case there's any lump. Yeah. Then I'll be adding in the cinnamon and the grated nutmeg in here. Just mix everything to be well combined. Then this is my salt. I'll leave all the measurements in the description box when I'm done. So next, I'll get the egg and crack. I'm using just 2 eggs for this. With this now, so I'll add in the egg into the banana. So these are the wet ingredients now. Then I'll add in milk. Then vegetable oil or your melted butter, anyone you want to use. And I'll be adding vanilla. I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla. You have to combine very well and not exerting so much energy. Then this is the peanut butter I'm adding. Peanut butter will take your banana bread to another level. Just try and dissolve it in here very well. Then I'll add in sugar. Just combine everything very well, slow and gentle. You can use your hand mixer for this, but I just feel like doing it this way. At least the hand mixer is very fast and easy. For those who don't like hard work, then you can use the hand mixer. Guys, you know you can actually start a business with this. Yeah, you can start a business from home with this our banana bread. So while I'm done with all this, let me clear the table a bit. So now everything is ready. I'll now start adding in the flour gradually and folding it in. Just have to be folding it little by little. At this point, I'll add in some raisins. This is optional if you don't want to. Don't over rub it hard, just little by little, easy. We are getting there. So my people, this is what we have here. We are about taking it into the oven. I'm almost done. While I'm doing this, the oven is preheating. So for my almond seed, I'm not going to be adding it like that. You can see I put them in this cellophane, and I'm going to crack them here. And if you are using peanut, you have to do this too. So my people, I'll be using this pan. Though it's locally made, you can get your silicone pan or any pan you want to use for your banana bread. But I'm using this one. So there's butter in here. I'll rub in the butter very well so that when it is baked, it will be easy to come out. You can use vegetable oil if you don't have butter. Then I'll now lay my baking sheets in it. This baking sheet will enable your batter to come out very well when your cake is baked. But if you don't have this sheet, you can just use the butter alone and then use flour to dab it and pour in your butter. Done with this now, then I'll pour in the butter. Bread is not even baked, and I'm just perceiving this nice aroma here. You can use any topping of your choice. You can use coconut flakes. You can even use chocolate chips. Depends on what you prefer. The pan just swallowed all my butter. So now I will sprinkle in some of my almond seed. Wow, this is going to be so delicious. So it's ready now. It's going to be baking for 30 to 40 minutes. Our bread will be ready. Guys, this is after 40 minutes and I'm here to check our bread if it is baked. So you know, if your bread is baked, you get in your skewer, you dip it in, and if it comes out clean like this, that means your cake, sorry, I always call it cake, your bread is baked. So our bread is baked now. Just bring it out. So I have to bring out the bread to take out the baking paper. Wow, you can see this bread is so moist. It's still hot, but I just have to take out this paper. How do I do that now? Wow. Wow. So succulent. This is our banana bread. Wow, fully loaded. It's still very hot, so I just allow it to cool. So guys, this is the end of my class. Our banana bread is ready. Thanks for watching, guys, and keep watching until I bring another recipe. Bye bye.